So I needed to get two new coach lights for the garage, and I wanted some really large ones, and I found this Koda outdoor LED wall lantern from Costco. They're actually on sale for $44.95, which is a really good deal. These are really large, like 19 inches. And the ones they had at Home Depot and Lowe's, you're talking $89 to $109 for something this size. So for $44.95, which is on sale for $15 off right now till the end of September, I figured I'd give it a shot. It uses LED lights, which I'm not a big fan of, but the bulb they give you is really small for the size of the lantern. And I'm going to replace that bulb with these. I'm thinking this Better Homes and Garden from Walmart. It's one of those old time bulbs, but it's LED. And it's an amber one. I want to see what the amber looked like compared to this one, which is a soft white bulb. So I'll let you see what it looks like. I'm definitely going to be replacing the bulb that's in there. I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. Yeah, that's it. See, it's a small bulb, one of those cheap LED small bulbs, and it doesn't even take up half the space. And I don't like that look. This is a better look. These cost $8 for two bulbs each, which is still a lot of money, but it's better than having that small bulb. One's 60 watts, one's 40 watts. They use about 5 watts each. I'm most likely going to use the 60 watt amber, and each lantern takes one bulb. Dusk to dawn technology. And it's funny, the bulb uses a 60 watt incandescent in addition to an included 8 watt LED bulb, so it's compatible up to 60 watts. So here's the bulb that they give you. It's a 8 watt LED bulb, but it's compatible with up to 60 watt incandescent boats as well. These bulbs only take 5 watts, so it should be fine in there. So we'll take it apart and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll put it on the wall and show you what it looks like as well. Here's the back of the box so you can see it. And here's the dimensions. Here's how it's shipped in this honeycomb box. A bunch of packing tape on top. There it is in the box. It's pretty large. I guess I'm going to measure it. So here's the lamp. It's got a slightly frosted glass, but you can still see through it. And it's 12 inches, at least as far as the landing part goes, but from the top bracket thing that they add, you know, it's 15 inches. So it's not 19 inches like I thought it was. It's 9 inches across from this top piece. So we'll get it installed and I'll show you. So this is what they give you, you know, your typical LED bulb, which is kind of one of the ugliest bulbs you can get. I don't get the logic where they just put this piece of plastic on here and show this is light. There's no light down here. I don't like them. Alright, so they give you that for free. This is the one that I got. This is going to be the amber one, so it's going to be slightly yellowish. We also have the soft white. I'll show you both at night what it looks like. But this is the one I'm going to probably wind up using, and see how much longer it is. So when it's in there, it actually takes up more space than that little bulb. So that should be nice. They also give you a little cap here, a little brown cap that you could put on the sensor so that the sensor doesn't respond to the light level. And some screws and some wire nuts and this little Y clamp. It should be pretty simple to install. So the first thing you do is go to your electrical box. I tracked down mine already, and it's this number 20, and shut off the circuit breaker to that. So there's my box, and I got my ohm meter. I'm going to set it to AC volts and make sure that there's no power going to it. Okay, I use my small level to make sure it's flat. Actually, it's not flat, so. Well, I'll use my level to make it flat. These screws in the center here, don't use a mechanical screwdriver, use a hand screwdriver. I stripped out the screws on the original. This is my one I had originally on here. So I switched these plates out, but they're the same plates. So don't use a mechanical screwdriver in the middle. So there it is. I put the ground wire on first, and I let the two wires go through the sides. Now I'm going to go get the lamp. Okay, this is what it looks like during the day with the amber lights connected. Okay, the soft white light is on the left and the amber one is on the right. I think either one of them is nice. I kind of like the amber one because you don't see that too often. You see a lot of white lights.